Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. I'm so glad each and every one of you are here. I'm Lannie and I'm coming back with another video, and this time I wanted to do a sultry date night look. If you want to learn how to recreate this look, stay tuned. But before you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you will know when I upload future videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I already have my lids primed and my eyebrows done. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with my NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. So for eyes, I'm going to be using my Juvias Place Warrior palette, and you guys have seen me use this palette before. This is so pretty. This is how it looks on the inside. Very, very pretty. Alright, so I'm going to start with an e.l.f. Just a regular fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in this color here. I'm going to use that as my transition color. Next, I'm going to use this dark chocolate brown color here. Take a Real Techniques deluxe crease brush. Go in my crease here. I'm going to take that same brown color that I used in the beginning and buff out the corners. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter Goals, and this is in the color Multiverse. So this is how it looks. I'm going to take this chocolate brown again and hit that on my outer V. So I like to go back in with that same fluffy brush that I used in the beginning, just to ensure that everything is nicely blended together. And then I just took in an e.l.f. liner and just did a small line across my eyes just to make sure that you can't see the band of the lashes. And you guys, look at this. I'm going in with my favorite foundation, my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Foundation, and that was almost a catastrophe because I had on the dress that I was going to wear that night, and that would have been horrible if I had got that all over myself, but thankfully it didn't. So this is something new that I've been using. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. And I'm just going to apply that to the areas where I would normally highlight, under my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you?
Huh? Mommy's recording. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Wait.
Cheese. All right, here, going back with Daddy. Bye. Bailey, it's been a while since you made a cameo, girl. I love the color of this concealer, and I love how easily it blends as well. And now I'm going to go in with my favorite setting powder, and that is from Black Opal. And I'm just going to obviously just put that all over the areas that I highlighted. Now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance Contour Palette, another favorite of mine, and I'm just going to dip in those two colors there to contour my face. Now I'm going to take a Wet n Wild brush and dust off the excess powder. And then set my face with another favorite of mine, my Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. I wanted this eye look to be a little bit more smoky, so I took that chocolate brown color to put on my lower lash line, and then I took some eyeliner to smoke it out a little bit more. Then I took that center color in the Warrior palette, and it gave me a beautiful inner corner highlight. For blush, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio, and this is the cocktail palette, and this is how it looks on the inside, and I'm going to be using this color right here. Very pretty. This is also a new product that I've been using lately, and this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm going to be using this color, and I can't hold up the palette because it is broken, but I still use it. It's called French Toast. Very pretty highlight. For lips, I'm going to go in with my NYX. This is actually an eyeliner pencil, but I use it as a lip liner, and this is in the color brown, dark brown. And then I'm going to go in with two ABH liquid lipsticks. This one is in the color Ashton, and this one is in the color Naked. And they're both matte. I'm going to go in with Ashton first. And then I'm going to go in the center with Naked. Alright you guys, that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This is just a cute little sultry date night look. I actually have to go ahead and get out of here, so I will see y'all on the next video. Until then, bye.